lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that shit fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go to my fate when life is ended. All alone, that's okay, all I can stand that. You don't want to fight me, anywhere I'm standing. My psyche, I don't wanna say it in your way lightly. You wanna taste it, so come on, try me. You wanna hate it, you know where to find me. I'm out with haters, I'm out to fight it. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent.